lot of gang shit. Let go.
Ooh, sad, killed it.
I've been here before. Tell these niggas stop playing, know it's chopsticks. Had it like a subway, dressed like a mop stick. City say I got beef, I'm riding with them chopsticks. Call that 40 Johnny Cage and impact like a drop kick. D told me, bro, calm down, you on that bullshit. Homie, I got shot for them niggas, I want them boys hit. Nephew, please don't come round, cause you could get hit. And don't even bring up hoes, cause yours could get hit. Old head still got game, I taught you boys this. Made some niggas stand on the block, so who's the real bitch? Boy, stop, not right now, I got them mad. Mama, son doing better than them, I'm on their ass. Mama, same one saying my name, they doing bad. Mama, he dead, rest on broke, now I can brag, mama. He dead, rest on broke, now I can brag, mama. You ain't never seen no shit like this. This some black out shit. Stop dreaming, ain't dead, took a few shots. Beans, banks, blacks, and dots. We spent a few blocks. Same day I almost got robbed. I made the view hot ass shade. I fucked up the city. You got that kid pop. Slide through the jungle, you want it and you ain't got a pass. Look stupid, nigga, you goofy. Them youngins on your ass. 800 nephew, them. I wish you would, nigga. Got them chaos pop. I'm playing sure, nigga. Shit far from home. We ain't done yet. Shit, no? A lot of niggas been talking, they ain't heard shit. Been an OG in the streets, get off a top bitch. Swinging mop sticks whenever I'm feeling threatened. Boy, I learned this shit from P, so tell these niggas I'm ready. Got a desert on me, 2 and 1s in case you rollin' with them. Left him by that catwalk hurting, you better go and get him. Kilo took a cat that woke his ass up real quick. People putting belt that ass, hit with a real switch.